Good morning, beautiful people. I'm Alex and this is Ginger Head & Co, my sewing vlog. I've bought some fabric. I'm going to show you some fabric that I've bought recently. I haven't been very well recently, so I couldn't really sew that much, but I had more time to see what the shops had to offer, and that's never a good, a good idea. That is never a good thing for me. But I thought I needed some fabric for the summer because I want to experiment. Well, experiment is just something that I should have tattooed on my forehead. I like experimenting, so I thought I needed some more fabric for my experiments. And well, obviously I got some. I got some from Colville because for me, it's very easy to buy from them, and I've never had a problem. I know that some people are not so keen on that way of buying, but for me, this is a great source of cheap fabric, and I've never had any problem. I first saw these, and these are John Calder fabric, as you can see on the selvage, but I've never been super keen on John Calder fabric, not that much. I like the print, but it's never been for me worth the money, because usually they're like £15 a meter or something, and I don't think they're worth that much. So when Mark from Colville had John Calder fabric in this beautiful, I think, beautiful print, that was £5 a meter. I mean, 3 meters, £15, I think, or even 12. No, that was £12 per 3 meters. So I thought, yeah, brilliant. I love the print. I'm going to use the fabric. This fabric is not like totally see-through, but as you can see, I've got the lamp switched on. You can see the light there. So it is lightweight, and it is some sort of polyester. I mean, it was sold as viscose spandex blend, but I know John Calder, they usually have some polyester in it, and I think it's got polyester, but I love the print, and I think it is going to make a beautiful floaty dress or a top, but I bought it for the dress. For a dress, I don't really know which one yet, but I definitely wanted a summery dress. If I have enough for a top, brilliant. If I don't, tough. But then I bought it in both colorways that were sold in Colville, so the white and the red one as well. Does it go with me? It will go with me whether it likes it or not. But again, this is the same fabric, so very floaty. It does feel like viscose. I just think that it's not just viscose and spandex. I think there is some polyester, because I used to buy John Calder fabric and there were blends. So there was always some polyester. They wear well and they wash well, so I have no reason to complain. I just think that for what they offer, they're usually too expensive. So that's why I bought them for £4 a meter, right? And well, £4 a meter, I can't complain, can I? I love the print. I think it is very much me. So I got that first, but because if you buy in the week, it's like £35 and you've got free delivery. I needed to buy more, and I bought more. And because quite often I like buying the same print in different colorways, I bought these two, which are the same. It is, well, apparently, cotton jersey, or it's called cotton jersey. Whether it's only cotton, I very much doubt. I suppose although it does look like cotton jersey. It is not see-through, but it's lightweight, so it will not require any lining, but it is lightweight. It would be perfect for various t-shirts and tops because it's so soft. Well, it probably is cotton jersey. I take back whatever I thought about this fabric. I suppose it is cotton jersey because it behaves like cotton jersey. It is quite, well, it is a bit stretchy. It's not very, very stretchy. It's very floaty. It would make gorgeous pajamas, but I don't wear pajamas. I mean, I don't sleep in pajamas. So for me, it's going to make a dress. Well, I was thinking about a top as well. A top or a dress is a topic of today's fabric haul, and this one as well. And I love this color, and I saw this first and I thought this is just gorgeous, and apparently this color is fashionable. Well, it is fashionable in my head because I like the color, so it's fashionable. That's, yeah, Alex's views on fashion. I like it, fashionable, but I love it, and I think it's great because it's not too big. The print is not too big. There are not too many colors, so I can make something that is going to be workwear for summer. Nobody's going to complain that I'm wearing something totally mad and outrageous, because it's quite calm. like cotton jersey. It is floaty, but not like super floaty, so there is some sort of weight that is going to make sure that your dress is not going up as you walk. Or yeah, quite good. Very happy with this one. Then I got this one, and here the print is really, really big, and it is, well, it was sold as cotton jersey, probably with some polyester, but the fabric is really nice. No complaints here. It is white on the other side, so obviously it can't be used for anything that shows the wrong side of the fabric. It is maybe slightly see-through. You can see the light. So it's similar to John Calder ones. Again, perfect for a summer dress, and it floats nicely. It's got a soft hand. Yeah, it's good. It stretches a tiny little bit, so it could probably be easily used for any pattern that doesn't require stretch fabric, because it doesn't stretch that much. It stretches a bit from salvage to salvage, but the recovery is okay. It's not, you know, it's not the best, but I need to consider the ratio of quality to the price, so I am happy. Right, it's like that, and again, perfect for a summer dress. Yes, all of them were meant for summer dresses because that's what I needed. And I've got a lot of kind of, well, winterish type of fabric, so I needed something for spring and summer. I do need to make dresses for spring and summer. I've got a few, but not as many as you might think, because some of my dresses stay with me for a very short time. I share my dresses, so I give my dresses not just to my sister, but mainly to my sister, if I feel that this is not something that is going to be loved as much by me as it should, and it's not going to be worn super often. I can give it to somebody else, but I don't really have that many clothes. Okay, so, and then I asked Mark to pick something for me to kind of make up for the parcel, and I can't believe how well he knows me. Mark is the owner of Colville Fabrics, so he picked up that, and come on, if that is not perfect for me, nothing is. This is just brilliant. First of all, I love the colors, I love the prints, and I said it a few times in the vlog as well, I do 60s quite well, and this is very 60s. And this is scuba crepe, so it is a bit heavier. First thing that I thought was Tilly and the Buttons Cocoa, but I don't want another Cocoa, so I'll make something similar. But I love it, I just love it. I think the print is gorgeous. It's got my personality written into it, woven into it, because it is colourful and bold and brave, and I am all those things, right? Even if I'm not, I like when I put something on, it gives me more courage, more boldness, I'm more confident. So I like bold colours, and I like bold prints, and I like 60s, 70s prints, because, well, maybe because I don't remember 60s or 70s. I was born in late 70s, so I don't remember being forced to wear 60s, 70s prints. So I can now wear them out of choice. And then that is also very much me, and it's also scuba crepe or Liverpool crepe, and it's perfect for many things. I haven't decided what to make out of it yet, but I love the colors, I do, and I love the print. And again, it's slightly heavier, so it should be made quickly to wear it when it's still cold enough to wear it, because I'm going to sweat in it in the summer, so it's not really going to be a summer make. Although you never know with English summers. some English summers are not that hot. So that's all that I got from Colville. And also, I know that some people were inquiring on Instagram, I think. You were asking about my pattern weights. So I'm going to show you some of my pattern weights. My pattern weights with the names of my pets. Let me find something to put it against it. So the pattern weights with the names of my pets. So Brian, Ulysses, Alex. Alex is my snake, not Alex me. Charlie is the cat, Lily is the other dog. They're all made, all of my pattern weights are made by my husband, Hedge Happy, also known as. Well, I don't know where to buy them because he makes them for me. And I think I did tell you that he makes my pattern weights, but I know that there are some new viewers. So all my pattern weights are made by my husband, and they're, well, usually he makes them very simple, like that. They're quite heavy. Well, they're meant to be heavy. So I've got loads of them in various shapes and sizes. And yes, I'm always very happy with them. They are very useful, and they don't have to be pretty. Sometimes because I'm just a silly little girl, sometimes I embellish them with things. Like this one is really heavy. And he also makes boxes for me. Jesus. Okay, I wanted to show you all of them, but they are super heavy. So I've got this box. Sorry. I've got this box that he also made for me with holes cut out in the box. And the button weights go there, and I'm not a very strong person. So that's the button weight, right? And they have their own slots. And that's that. So if you have somebody who can do things like that, it's basically cutting either in steel or whatever it is, but it's this laser cut, and the boxes are made on the lathe or something. It's woodworking and metalwork. If you know somebody who does woodworking and metalwork, they can make them for you. But I don't know where to buy them because they are not bought, they are present. And I love them because they are present, and I love handmade presents. So I'm always really, really happy. I've got a lot of wooden boxes for my pattern weight. Again, the boxes are in different shapes and sizes as well. And they hold different pattern weights, which some of them are embellished. Even the tiny ones, right? So I've got the boxes and I've got the button weights, and they're really handy. That was your question answered. I have also bought that recently, and I remember that somebody was asking about the knit trims, where I buy them. I buy mine in Poland. Again, it's metry I centimetry. I'll put the description. I'll put the name of the shop, the address of the shop in the description box. So if you scroll down, not on your phone, on your computer, there is a box where there are various things like the patterns that I use, the machines that I use, whatever I talk about in the video. So you would need to use your laptop or your computer. Scroll down and there is the description box. I put every address there. So it's metry I centimetry, and yes, they're stretchy. So the things that I use for my gym wear or for any sportswear, for my jogging bottoms and things like that, they stretch. So they're very comfortable, and they're meant to be used with stretch fabric, right? So as you wear your garment, it doesn't really distort the fabric around it because it stretches as well. So if you use it on stretchy fabric, it stretches. Obviously, being perfect, then I over-explain things. And that's pretty much all. So thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Bye!